Ever wondered how to type more comfortably and naturally? Introducing the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, a game changer for your typing experience. This advanced ergonomic keyboard features a unique curved split keyframe that reduces wrist bending by 25% and offers 54% more wrist support. Say goodbye to discomfort and muscle strain with its pillowed wrist rest that adapts to your typing style, providing ultimate comfort. Plus, the perfect stroke keys are crafted for precise and fluid typing, ensuring you won't miss a beat. Whether you're seated or standing, the adjustable palm lift keeps your wrists in a natural posture, promoting better posture overall. With Bluetooth and USB connectivity, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac, making it easy to customize your setup. Elevate your typing experience and reduce strain, all while being eco-friendly. 71% of the plastic is certified post-consumer recycled. Don't miss out on transforming how you type. Click bio to get your Logitech ERGO K860 today and experience the difference.